In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form on Typeform. So in order to do this, first head over to typeform.com, and then from in there you have options to actually create an account by clicking on the this get started is free option or the sign up option. Now if you already have one, just head over and click on the this login right here that we can see. Since I already have an account, let me just head over and log in. Now here is my actual dashboard. So in order to create the form, just head over and click on this button right here, which is the create a new form button. Once you have done that, this should be able to open in here the actual form creator. So just wait for this to load and it should be able to give you in here these three options. You can start a form from scratch, import questions from your Google Forms, or you can also help create with AI. So just choose in here which one you want for yourself. So for example, let's try to start from scratch. So if you try to start from scratch, you can choose in here the actual form elements that you wish to use. For example, let's head over and choose in here email. Let's also input in here some more options. On this page, let's ask for email, and then you can add another page if you would want. So to do that, you can add some more content. And in here for the next page, let's ask for a yes or no option. Let's input right here, have you had a cat over the past year? So this will look like that. You can also change the design of your typeforms by clicking on this design option, choosing in your brand kit or choosing here your kit. You can also choose from your gallery right here. We can have in here a lot of options, like for example, let's choose in here this one, desk space, and then this will be implemented to this particular page as you have noticed right here. When you head over right here to another page, it will also be implemented. Once you're done, head over and click on the share option right here in order to share it. So that's how you create the form in Typeform. Hope we helped.